Now to the most innovative investment bank of the year from Latin America. The winner is Itaú BBA.
Hello, welcome to the Bankers Investment Banking Awards. I'm here with our winner for Latin America, which is Itaú BBA. I'm joined by Renato Lulia, who is the head of the European and Asian business for Itaú BBA. Renato, thank you and for being here, and congratulations.
Thank you.
So Itaú BBA really had a phenomenal few years with a massive expansion, obviously in its home country, in Brazil, in Latin America, and elsewhere as well in the world. I wanted to ask you a little bit about the Latin America expansion. You've opened a new office in Mexico, which is a very interesting market. So let's start from that one.
Yeah, so we are very proud of our accomplishments in 2014. And as you said, I mean, the last operation that we opened was in Mexico. We've been in Mexico for a few years, but we really started investment banking this year. And we are quite happy that in a short period of time, we managed to participate in 3 very important transactions in ECM. And we are very, very excited about the prospects for next year as well.
And you obviously have also a very nice presence in the Andean countries. You dominate, I think it's fair to say, Brazil. You are one of the really top players there. And in your role, you cover Europe and Asia. I know you're traveling all over the place, just as a testament of how fast the business is growing. So just tell me a bit about your international expansion and the deals that you're working on at the moment.
So international expansion is absolutely linked to Latin America. So we find out that in order to cover Latin America well and to serve our clients well, we have to be in the main financial centers in Europe and US and Asia. And that's what we do here out of Europe. I mean, we want to be the go-to bank for multinationals, European, Asians, or Americans on everything related to Latin America. Therefore, we have an operation here in London, and then we have offices all over Europe in the main financial centers like Madrid, Frankfurt, Paris, and Lisbon as well. And we have operations in Asia, in Tokyo, Shanghai, and Hong Kong. And basically we have, again, a very focused strategy in terms of trying to intermediate the flows between all those regions in Latin America. I mean, financial flows, capital flows, and trade flows as well. So it requires a lot of traveling.
A lot of traveling, I know. You're always on a plane. Yeah. What markets are these investors looking more keenly in Latin America?
So it's been a very active year. I mean, I think it's fair to say it's been our record year in terms of M&A. And most part of all the things that we do are in Latin America. It's been a lot of interest in Brazil, in Peru, in Colombia, in Mexico. We just talked about it.
And you guys worked on a really big deal, on a big telecom deal in Brazil.
Exactly.
Lately.
We're very proud of having represented a major European multinational in acquiring a very large asset in Brazil. It's one of the largest European investments in Brazil ever. And we're very happy to represent that European company in that specific transaction.
Very good. Well, we shall keep an eye on all the good business that Itaú BBA will keep on doing, and best of luck with your trips.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.